Greetings to all. This is Neel Parekh, a technical research associate at GEPL Capitals. Welcome you to the weekly market outlook video. In this video, we are going to talk about the Nifty and Bank Nifty current market chart structure, and as well as we'll discuss the two stocks which has a high potential to outperform in the upcoming series. Without any further ado, let's start with the video. So this is the weekly scale of the Nifty 50 time frame, and if you look at the after the breakout that we have witnessed on the October 2025 of the bullish cup and handle pattern, which has been marked adjoint from the level of September 2024. From there, index has retested its breakout level on the November 7, and from there it is witnessing a higher high and higher lows formation on the weekly basis. Even the momentum indicator, if you look at the RSI, is been at the 63 mark, indicating the weekly scale has been entrenched with the positive trend with the momentum sustainability. Now we'll zoom out on the lower time frame, which is the daily scale. So on the daily scale as well, Nifty has been forming on the high top high bottom formation on the rising channel. And during this phase, Nifty has showcased a statistical repeated price behavioral pattern, which is that it's almost has been bottom out at the level of 3% correct price wise correction, and from there it resumes its upward trend. Recently, if you look at from the top which has been made on 23rd October 2025, which has been high of 26,104 till the bottom of 7th November 2025, which is the low made at 25,318. The 3% price correction has was been completed, and it has also retested its bullish mean revision of 50-day exponential moving average. From there, index has witnessed a strong momentum, and it is maintaining high, continuation of its high top high bottom formation. So indicating a healthy uptrend on the larger part of the index has been showcasing on the up continuation of the upward trend. Current market price is around 26,150. On the higher side, 26,350 to 26,500 would be the resistance zone, while at a lower scale, 25,800 to 25,300 would be the strong support zones for the Nifty index. Now, if you look at the momentum indicator on the daily scale, the momentum indicator has been witnessing a bullish crossover. If you look at on the lower panel, it has been showcasing a bullish crossover that further accounts that the index is poised to showcase its continuation of its upward trend. If you look at the last day of the weekly session, it has been witnessing a breakout of its prior to doji candlesticks at the level of 20-day exponential moving average. So collectively, if you look at the weekly as well as on the daily scale, are pointing signaling a healthy upward trend, and index is poised to showcase a new all-time high levels on coming sessions. On the Bank Nifty front, Bank Nifty has been leading the current bull market, and it's been showcasing a continuation of high top high bottom formation on weekly as well as on the daily scale. On the daily scale, we have observed a repeated price pattern has been followed on the Bank Nifty index. During the bottom out formation, Bank Nifty generally bottom out at the average price wise correction of 2.5 to 3% correction. Recent case index has completed its 2% price wise correction, and it's been poised to resume its upward trend and continue to form a new higher highs formation. If you look at on a December series index, Bank Nifty has clocked a new life high at the level of 60,114, and index is poised to taken out this level, and upward target for the Bank Nifty would be now renewed at 61,000 level, which is the upward trend line of the rising channel adjoined from multi-year highs and lows. The momentum indicator on the weekly scale is at the level of 70, and on a daily scale is at a level of 66. So both the time frames collectively hints that Bank Nifty is on the leading phase on the current market scenario. Now we'll discuss the two stocks which has a high potential to outperform the broader indices. So the first one is Bharti Airtel. So if you look at the weekly scale of Bharti Airtel after witnessing a breakout of its tight concession zone on the October series, index stock has been forming a higher highs formation, and it's on the positive territory. Even the 12-day 12-day and 12-week exponential moving average is sustained on the higher front. That defines the stock is in the strong trend. And the momentum indicators on the weekly scale is at 62 and on daily scale is at 52 level. That represents the strong buying opportunity at the current lower price structure. The Bharti Airtel has also showcased the repeated price behavioral pattern. Generally, it's bottom out at the level of 5 to 6% price-wise correction. And recently, the price-wise correction of 5% has been completed, and stock has been consolidating at the level of its 26-day exponential moving average. So, breakout about the level of 2115, it could showcase the continuation of the prior high top, high bottom formation. At the higher scale, our target is poised toward the level of 2180 and 2220 level. With a minor stop loss, we have to maintain at the level of 2075 mark. Second stock that we have shortlisted is again from the large cap counter, which is LT, Larsen and Turbo. I hope my screen is visible. Yeah. So this is the weekly scale of LT. If you look at since the bottom out which has been made on April 2025, stock has been showcasing a continuation of its rising mode. And on the recent series, on the November series, in stock has witnessed a breakout of its prior 1 year consolidation phase. That defines the stock has been now in the uncharted territory. Going forward, our upper target would be at the level of 4,200 and 4,375. If we zoom out on the daily scale, similar price behavioral pattern observed on the LT as well. Generally, stocks bottom out at the level of 4 to 5% price-wise correction, and recently 4% correction has been completed on the daily scale. And the momentum indicators have also been witnessing a bullish divergence where the indicator is been witnessing a lower bottoms while the price is forming in higher bottoms. That defines the bullish hidden divergence has been formed on the daily scale. So stock is poised to showcase the continuation of its rally toward the level of 4,200 and 4,375. In this case, we have to maintain the minor stop loss at the level of 3,940 mark. So that's it from my side. Hope you like the video. Do share and subscribe to GPL Capital's YouTube channel, and we'll meet on the next week for more such upcoming sessions. Thank you.